Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base, and I am here to give you that very knowledge that you need. Before we go further, guys, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you always not miss my great trainings, most especially to do with AI, and that is bad AI, ChatGPT, gravity, right, and all those areas that you would need to improve your life. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then share my video to your friend, your sister, your brother, and anyone out there that would want to learn this great tool that can be able to solve all these challenges. Today we are looking at solving the mathematical problems. You know, most of you find it complicated solving the mathematical problems, but did you know that using ChatGPT, you know, for ChatGPT you go to your Google, of course, browser, put in ChatGPT, and you'll be able to get it right here, and it will show you that it is chat.openai.com, and you land on this dashboard. Okay, on this dashboard, let's move in and see how we can create a mathematical problem that is very tough. So in this case, we're looking at solving a mathematical problem. Okay, let's look at how we can solve a mathematical problem, and in this case we're looking at solving the value. So here I have put here, find the value of, as you see, this mathematical problem. Okay, you can go through it, you can put any problem that you have, and this is where you submit it and write it right here, guys. So don't forget, this is where you put all your work right here. So we want to see how we can solve this problem using ChatGPT. I know most of you, you find it very complicated and very hard, and some of you even get into exams, you find that you cannot solve a problem. So let's see how really to solve this problem very well using this ChatGPT. Okay, in this case, within no minutes of less than 10 seconds, we are able to solve this problem. So guys, the value of x in the equation of 3x square, and then this minus 7x plus 2 equals 0, we can use the quadratic formula. Okay, the quadratic formula is x which equals, okay, all this, as you see, guys, we are trying to solve a problem using different methods, but for ChatGPT is trying to give you all these solutions within no minute, and they give it you in a simpler formula and term. So when you look at the quadratic formula, it's here in this equation, they are giving it to you. Let's plug these values into the quadratic formula. You're able to get all this right. Okay, then when you put it close here, solving this, they are trying to see you how you solve this problem. Okay, now this results into potential solutions. So they are giving you one solution and number two solutions. Therefore, the values of x are 2 and 1/3. Okay, so this is how you solve this mathematical problem within the shortest period of time. Guys, if you're a student out there, I'm not telling you to copy, but I'm trying to show you how best we arrive onto the solution. Guys, you can use this in your university, you can use this in your classes, but remember, we need to use our brains. We need to make sure we also learn on how to solve these problems by using ChatGPT. So any solution, any problem that you need that is mathematical, guys, you can be able to solve it right here using ChatGPT. And in this case, we have ChatGPT is free, and you can have also the paid version, which is $20 per month. But guys, just use the free version of ChatGPT, and if you need more, of course, more premium, facilities, please subscribe to their premium pro value, and you'll get more things, and you'll be able to solve all these problems right here. So thank you so much, guys. Do not forget to share my YouTube video if you find value in it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.